Hi, everybody. Let's do 3,185 divided by 2. 3,185 is our dividend. It's getting divided by 2 or divided into two groups. You could also say it's getting divided in half. And then our quotient is how many will be in each group. And we know that in order to divide something evenly into two groups, it has to be an even number. So we already know there's going to be one left over. Like you could divide 3,184 equally into two groups, but 3,185 is an odd number, so there is going to be a remainder. If you have the slideshow, you just click and type, and you can also follow along on a piece of paper. Just write this out, and then we'll divide together. We're following our standard algorithm steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, purple, red, green, blue. And let's go ahead and get started. So first we divide 3 divided by 2. In other words, how many 2's fit into 3? Just 1. If I had 3 pieces of candy and I made a group of 2, I can't make more than just one group of 2. I can make one group of 2 and then I don't have enough to continue. The next step is to multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we bring down the 1. I want you to pause the video and try the next couple steps by yourself and then check back in. Our next step is to divide. We're dividing 11 by 2. So how many times can you fit 2 into 11? Well, if you skip count your 2 5 times, you can get to 10, which is as close as you can get. So 2 can fit into 11 5 times. Multiply that back down. 5 times 2 is 10. What do we do next? If you said subtract, that is correct. Bring down our 8. The next step is to divide. 18 divided by 2. 18 divided in half or divided by 2 is 9. Multiply it back down. 9 times 2 is 18. So that one fit in perfectly, which means when you subtract, there's nothing there. But you are going to bring down your final digit. Go ahead and try to finish this up yourself and then check back in. We're going to do 5 divided by 2, or divided in half. You can make two groups of 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and we subtract, and there's our remainder, which you'll put up here in this little box. So this means that if you do 2 times 1,592 plus 1, you'll get 3,185. So 2 times 1,592 is 3,184, plus 1 is 3,185.